So we did it. It is actually 6 in the morning, and I last woke up at 6 when I had to come back home from Bangalore. I guess in March 2020 because COVID. And I'm waking up at 6 after that only today because, like we agreed, you guys have all control of my life today. There will never be another after you. You're the only one that matters. It's 6:10 more. So I just put the poll. I'm gonna wait for 10 minutes to see what you guys choose. And until then, I'm just gonna chill with Mia. So this is the workout that I decided to do. It is from this YouTube channel called MatFit. It is a beginner workout actually, but yeah, we're gonna do this because it's been a while since I worked out. I didn't want to do anything intense, so yeah, we're just gonna start. So I just got done with drinking that juice and I asked you guys if I should wear Indian or Western. I was really hoping you would say Western, but looks like Indian is winning. Not because I don't like Indian, I really love Indian clothes. Indian clothes are my favorite, but I just don't feel like wearing Indian clothes today. Western is winning, you guys, no way. Also, I'm gonna post another poll asking you guys what I should eat for breakfast. My mom has made pongal. So yeah, pongal, or so I'm just gonna say bananas because I already have bananas. I'm gonna put a poll asking you guys if I should eat pongal or bananas. Okay, so I just got out of the shower and I am wearing Indian. Okay, so now I'm gonna post another poll asking you guys if I should wear makeup or skip makeup. Just go like this. I'm kind of hoping makeup wins, but let's see. Also, if you don't choose the right answer, I'm gonna cheat here and there. I mean, yes. Oh, 63% of you told no makeup and 37% of you said makeup. You guys really hate me. But I'm just gonna cheat just a little bit. So I decided to wear some mascara and the slightest bit of lipstick because my face looks really dull today for no reason. This is my life, okay? Like I always ask people for advice. I ask people what to do and I do just the opposite of what they say. I've been that way since I was born. Whoa, this is a lot of mascara. So this is what I'm wearing. Like you guys said, I am wearing Indian. It's just a plain, I mean not a plain, it's a printed red kurta and grey jeans and just loose hair. That's it. So yeah, I'll probably not vlog while I am at the dentist's, but after that, yes, for sure. Let's go. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. So I just reached the hospital right now. I hope
you guys could hear me. There is just a lot of construction noise that is going around, but yeah, I'm just waiting for the dentist to call me. I guess I'll probably just listen to music and made vlogs and stuff when I was walking in the road, but not in the waiting room of a hospital.
Just entering Ibaco. So I asked if I should go for chocolate or hazelnut, and a lot of you guys said hazelnut. Wait, what? If I knew Ibaco had a cotton candy flavor, I would have said that as well. So I'm getting Belgian chocolate and not hazelnut because apparently they have discontinued hazelnut. This guy is controlling my day, not you guys. No, Ibaco is controlling my day. Okay guys, I just got back home. My teeth is still hurting so badly. I ate ice cream and all that, but still my teeth is hurting. Actually, I didn't tell you guys why I went to the dentist and what the issue is so quickly. A month back, I had toothache. I had that toothache since like at least 4 or 5 months. But I went to him and he told me that was an issue and stuff like that. But when I went last month, he told me that there is, a cavity and it has gone deep and RCT should be done. So he started it last month, and so it had to have a break, and there are like 3 or 4 sittings for it, and this is the second sitting. That's why I went to the dentist. I wouldn't say it was really painful because he gave me anesthesia and all that, but still it hurts right now. So yeah, I'm just gonna go have lunch right now. Also, you guys cannot control my lunch because even I don't have control over my lunch. My mom makes lunch every single day and I think it's really healthy. And yeah, she's not gonna let me skip lunch. So I just got done with lunch and I came back to my room. I was chilling for like an hour. I didn't realize that it was already an hour. But yeah. Also, my mom is so pissed because she just realized what this video was and what I was doing because she saw all of my stories. இதுவரைக்கும் லைஃப்ல நான் யாரு சொல்லியும் கேட்டதில்ல. She tells me a lot of things. ஒரு டைம் கூட கேட்டதில்ல. So me listening to you guys for the video pissed her off so much. Like she's literally mad at me. Okay, I asked you guys if I should make a makeup reel or a transition reel, and I'm kind of hoping transition reels would win. I mean, transition reels are kind of fun to make. So yeah, I haven't checked the results yet. If I poi results check panita, whatever wins, I'm gonna make that. So the happy face, because you guys chose the right answer this time. You chose transition reels. I actually wanted to make transition reels. So yeah, I'm gonna film a clip like this with the same, t-shirt and just no makeup, this hair and all that. And then I'm gonna do my makeup and do the transition. This is what I'm wearing. You guys should really check out H&M crop tops. I mean, off-shoulder tops if you are into off-shoulder tops. I really like frilly off-shoulder tops like these ones because it just makes you feel like you're just out of a fairy tale movie or something. So yeah. Hey guys, so I just got done with the reel. My Instagram was so problematic today. Like I was doing my reel, everything was fine, it was working fine, but when I was trying to save the clip I did, it wasn't saving. So I had to like take 10 shots and one of those 10 shots would save, and like that I did at least 20 shots, I guess. Just posted the video on Instagram. So right now I can either go watch YouTube videos or just chill on Netflix. You guys choose what I should do. I'm gonna put a poll for that right now. Okay, so I just posted a poll asking you guys if I should watch YouTube videos or rom-coms on Netflix, and a lot of you said YouTube videos, and Thank you so much. Yes, YouTube videos are winning. Guys, every poll that I posted, except 2 polls, is always at 40 and 50. Like 43, 57 or 52, 40, I don't know. But yeah, everything is at 40 and 50. Okay. Okay, so like all of that apart, majority wins. That is the rule. So now I'm just gonna remove all of this makeup and go watch some YouTube videos, and then I'm planning to like put on a face mask because my face feels so weird. You guys choose the face mask. Okay, I'm just gonna remove this makeup first. So this is the makeup remover that I use all the time. This is the Garnier's Micellar Water. You guys won't believe what I'm gonna watch on YouTube right now. I mean, you're gonna love it. Just check this. So, do you remember any of this? Do you guys also watch Takeshi's Castle, or is it just me? Whoa. I miss this show so much. The show used to play on Pogo when I was a kid. So I used to watch this with my whole entire family and we loved it so much, guys. This is the best show. I mean, this, Mad on Pogo, and a lot of other shows on Pogo. It was really nice and wow. These shows are super nostalgic. I'm just gonna choose one episode and watch this. So one of my friends was watching this show last evening or last afternoon, and I didn't know that it was on YouTube. I had no idea. I didn't even think about it because it's been so long. So yeah, I'm just gonna watch this for a while. I'm super excited, and then post another poll.
Let's jump on the Milky Way and chew the cud over this lot. Coming up, we're losing.
Damn, do you remember this game?
Showing a little love.
Oh, I used to hate that game though.
Ordering new routes.
This was my favorite. Oh, this was my favorite game from the whole entire show. I loved this game and it was so funny to watch as well. It would be so hilarious. I would just sit and laugh with my dad the whole time.
So get yourselves all in a lather and slip with me.
Yeah, this was also fun. I loved all kind of water games. So this one's almost gonna get over. I guess this is the last time I'll be able to use it. This one's a really nice mask and you don't need a lot of it actually. You just need that much. So finally the Bubble Farm face mask won. And that's what I'm gonna be using on my face. I just mixed the face mask with some curd and I'm gonna use it on my face now. Skipping Stones has been my favorite game in Takeshi's Castle. Which one's yours? I'm wondering. If you guys watched Takeshi's Castle, which one was your favorite game? So yeah, I'm done applying the face mask. I'm just gonna watch this until the face mask dries and even after that. So yeah, I'll see you guys. Okay, so just wash my face. Can you guys see that glow? It's so pretty. I love Bubble Farm face masks. Okay, so it's 9:30 and I'm gonna ask you guys on Instagram if I should. I have 2 instant noodles. One is the curry from Top Ramen, which is my favorite instant noodle in the whole entire world. Yes, and I also have Maggi, which is not really my favorite, but I'm kind of okay with both. So I clicked the picture of both the noodles together, so you guys choose which one should I eat. I finally gonna convince my mom to let me eat instant noodles, so anything is fine. I'm not even gonna complain. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait for 20 minutes and see what you guys choose. Am I playing safe? I should have given like veggie soup and instant noodles, and you guys would have chosen veggie soup because that's what you've been doing since morning. You guys have been choosing everything wrong, and I didn't cheat for the maximum part. Okay, I cheated like once when I had to like wear makeup, and that's about it. So Maggi won, and that is what I am making right now. And I also wanted to quickly mention that one of my friends in college used to make his Maggi this way,
and it tastes so much better. And all you need to do is boil the noodles first, and then 2 minutes before you switch off the stove, you drop in the tastemaker. This way you're not diluting the tastemaker too much. I actually used to boil the tastemaker first and then drop in the Maggi, but just try it this way if you've been doing the other way all these years.
Sea cream right now. And yeah, that is it for my skincare for today. And yeah, that is it for my skincare for today. I mean, that is not it for the video. The video should still continue.
My tongue and my whole entire mouth is so sensitive to hot foods. I just cannot take hot foods for today. Spicy foods are fine. Cold foods were amazing. Not every single day.
You guys chose the vanilla candle and it smells so good, and this candle is from Miniso.
So I just posted a poll on Instagram asking you guys what I should do before bed, if I should watch a murder story on Netflix or if I should read a book. So I have no clue what has happened to that poll, but the previous poll, which was which candle to light up, you guys chose the vanilla candle and I totally wanted that. So I just lit up the vanilla candle and my entire room smells like vanilla. I just wish I could show this scent in the video. I wish I could do that. If that was possible, I would literally open up all of my lotions and creams and like show you guys and like make you guys smell everything. But right now my room smells delicious. Vanilla is like my favorite flavor in the whole world. It's just so calming and really, really nice. And yeah, also it's 11:11. So yeah, okay, let's see which one is winning. Really? You guys, Netflix is winning. I didn't expect this from you guys. I thought you guys were gonna make me read a book and sleep, but looks like you guys really like me. So yeah, I'm super excited to watch this. Actually, I've been wanting to watch the American Murder since a while now. So yeah. Let this be the outro of the video. I'm gonna end the video right here. So the main reason I wanted to make this video is because I came from Instagram and I wanted you guys to feel included in my YouTube channel as well. And every time you watch my YouTube video, I didn't want you to feel like, you know, this is a new person and she's doing a totally different video here and she's a totally different person on Instagram. I just wanted you guys to feel like you were a part of it and all of that stuff, and that was like the #1 reason. I mean, obviously I could reply to your comments and DMs and stuff and make you feel included, but I just wanted to find a fun way to do the same. And yeah, that is why I thought this video would be the right option. I really hope you guys had fun. I knew that this would, you know, be like a fun video to watch, but I never imagined that this would be really nice to film as well. I personally wouldn't have done a lot of things I did today if not for this video. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys would enjoy watching this as much as I enjoyed filming this. And yeah, I hope you guys had fun and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.